To see how I got this look, I want you all to stay watching. Welcome back to another DIY here with Frederica Nation. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Become a part of the family, join the rest of us, and let's start making some things together. But today what I'm going to be making is a DIY vanity set tray, or whatever you want to name this. It doesn't make a difference. But what I have done, I went to the Dollar Tree and got these wine glasses, and I've already dipped them in some glitter and some silver glitter and Mod Podge and let them dry overnight. So I'm going to be using those to hold up this vanity makeup tray right here. And I've also cut out a few of these little diamond wraps because I'm going to be using that to decorate this makeup tray. You're going to need some E6000. I'm going to use some of these flowers right here and also some more diamond wrap. I might need more diamond wrap. I might not. But let's get right into the video. And yeah, I forgot to mention that you're going to need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. This works very well together with the E6000, I'm telling you. And yes, I still got my robe on because it's kind of early and I just got up not long ago. But I had to do this DIY with you all. So before I start anything, I'm going to take these little diamond wraps that I cut out and I'm going to decorate this makeup tray. So I'm going to put some diamond wrap on it here and there just to give it a little bling look, you know, a little fancy type of look. And I'm going to show y'all in a minute the finished look of when I put these little bling wraps on it. You're gonna need some extra glue sticks, of course. So let me move this to the side so y'all can see. So what I'm gonna be doing is taking my bling wrap and putting it around on this acrylic makeup tray so I can show y'all once it's done how I do what I do. So now what I'm gonna do is take these two champagne or wine glasses, I'm sorry, and I'm gonna turn them upside down, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the E6000 because you're gonna need some E6000 to make sure it holds good. The hot glue gun don't hold good, you know, very well, but use a little bit of this E6000. A little bit goes a long way, literally. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom of the wine glasses, you all. Then I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun just so it can hold for right now, and put some on here. And then I'm going to take the tray, because now I've already put my bling around it how I wanted to put it around, as you can see on this makeup tray. And then I'm gonna sit this on top of here. Now I'm gonna need to get up close and personal with this, so let me move one first and just put one down here. Okay, well, let me put both of them underneath here, and then I'm gonna press it just so it can hold. And the E6000 takes some time to dry, so that's gonna dry overnight, but the hot glue gun is gonna make it stick right now. And then I'm gonna show y'all the finished look of it once it dries. So let me put what I need to put in here and show y'all the finished product. The overall look of this makeup tray that I had to create for y'all. Hope you like this DIY. It was very simple, very easy. These things came from the Dollar Tree, except for the makeup tray. It came from Walmart, you all. And then, of course, you stack it up and put your makeup in there, or you can use this for whatever you want to use it for. But, of course, for me, it's going to be makeup because I love makeup. But, yeah, this is the overall look. I hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure you thumbs up and like it. Comment in the section below any other suggestions. Thank y'all so much for joining and tuning in to Frederica Nation. Thank y'all.